Correct, Captain Thomas. Let's have a look into the system. Wiping clothes. It's item 7.2.3.4.4 of the VSP 2025 Environmental Public Health Standard. Wiping clothes under item 25 is stated like this. Wiping clothes must always be stored in a sanitizer solution between uses. This is a non-critical violation, but still worth 1 point. The corrective action I'm going to put into the system to log is prepare sanitizer buckets, have them available, and train the staff on correct cloth handling.
And even though it's just worth 1 point, it's a very good indicator of active managerial control, which we've talked about before. If you're not managing your wiping cloths correctly, inspectors are going to look at that and they're going to see you don't have active managerial control.